Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we're going to explore the fascinating world of ultrasound analysis, a powerful predictive maintenance tool that your team should consider. Not only will we discuss how it works, but also its wide range of applications such as leak detection, mechanical inspection, and even electrical testing. Plus, we'll share some insightful use cases for you to understand how it can save billions of dollars for businesses like yours. So, are you ready to be one step ahead in predictive maintenance? Let's get started. Ultrasound analysis, or UA, uses sound to identify assets that could potentially fail. Its applications span leak detection, mechanical inspection, electrical inspection, electric arc flash detection, steam trap maintenance, and valve testing. What sets UA apart is its lower acquisition costs and user-friendliness. Additionally, you can hear the signal after some quick training. Let's explore how ultrasound analysis instruments function. These instruments capture high-frequency sounds with a sensitive microphone. These sounds are then converted into audio and digital data that can be interpreted and utilized by humans and software. They can be used on a case-by-case basis or on a fixed frequency to gather data over time. Predictive maintenance involves comparing current measurements to known issues or past measurements. Any alterations can help detect potential problems. The data for predictive maintenance is typically collected on what is referred to as a route. This route determines the equipment to be tested and the exact point on the asset where a reading should be taken. Portable ultrasound analysis sensors can accumulate data for immediate use or for uploading to a database for further scrutiny and performance tracking. Some units even feature onboard thermometers, cameras, and spectral analyzers. They gather this data from sounds collected in the open air or with probes in contact with the component being tested. Now let's examine some applications for ultrasound analysis. Steam systems, when failed, are estimated to cost companies billions of dollars annually in wasted energy, lost production, and environmental damage. The U.S. Department of Energy reports that even the smallest steam traps waste $8,000 when failed. Unreliable steam can also negatively impact life and product safety. Compressed air is costly to generate, with prices between 30 cents to 50 cents for every 1,000 cubic feet. Most facilities require hearing protection due to the noisy environment, making it challenging to detect air loss without assistance. Ultrasound analysis can swiftly pinpoint the exact location of air leaks, making it an indispensable tool in these scenarios. Ultrasound analysis is also a valuable tool for electrical testing. Faults such as arcing, tracking, and corona generate high-frequency sounds that ultrasound analysis systems can detect. With ultrasound analysis, testing can be conducted from a safe distance, minimizing the need to approach electrical equipment. Finally, ultrasound analysis can be employed to monitor the performance of mechanical equipment by detecting the change in volume and frequency of mechanical components. For instance, technicians can listen to bearings as lubrication is applied, applying the correct amount through sound. To wrap up, ultrasound analysis is a powerful tool that maintenance teams can procure at a reasonable cost and use with minimal training. It provides significant savings by detecting energy loss, failing systems, and enabling safe completion of assigned tasks. So if you're part of a maintenance or operations team, it's definitely worth considering ultrasound analysis as part of your toolkit. Thank you for watching. Today we've explored the power of ultrasound analysis and its wide range of applications. Remember, this tool can save your business billions of dollars by detecting energy loss, failing systems, and enabling safe task completion. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about our tools and resources for maintenance and reliability teams, visit our website at upkeep.com. Until next time, keep innovating.